So I hope this is working. Let me just double check if this is working. There we go. Okay, it's working. So what we're going to be doing, let me just, okay, so it's live. That's good. So I just set it up quickly, everything. Okay. So okay, so let's see the latency. Okay, so it is kind of like, well, let's go to PowerShell then. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is, well, coding. It's not really my favorite thing as well, hardware. But yeah, so let's start off with the basics then. I don't really know much, but yeah, whatever. So maybe we could do that, or we can get. So normally what you would do is start transcript. Can you guys let me know if you can hear me in the chat or wherever? So start transcript is basically just my mic. So basically, it will just when you insert command, it will just everything you put in to this command into PowerShell now until you close the window will be saved onto like a Word document with emphasis on this. So wait, let me hear myself. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so the microphone's working. That's good. And yeah, so start transcript just basically tells you where it will be in. Okay, so let's go with maybe. You can always open applications, but I don't want to leak any information. So we can always start with Chrome. Yeah, so yeah, I think I'm not getting information through. Okay. Nice. Okay, so start transcript basically just does that, and then we can get like and get process. Basically what this does, it tells us basically what, like, let's go Teams. Yeah, I don't think I have Teams open, but you know, so if I go to like Chrome, for example, I can always go get. Oh, sorry, the neighbors have dogs. I'm gonna close the window. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So just close the window. So yeah, so you would type in process name and then Chrome. So basically list everything that it's doing. I'm a really good coder, so yeah, I'll leave a link in the description after this stream ends to the guy I'm learning this from. But yeah, so after that we could always go to, I don't know, you can open Teams, but I don't want any information leaked. But you can yes, you can open what are they called, apps. Yes. So basically what you would do is, for example, for me it would be start process. You don't have to put in a name. You just go for the file location. So it goes like that, and then users. Because this is my alt account, I just made one quickly. Oh, the stream's paused. That's bad. Okay, so I just got a message. Okay, that's fine. So you guys can hear me, right? Just message me. So then you would go to Chrome. Oh, you go to Chrome setup. Of course, together you have to put in the exact information, and Chrome will start. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, if I press yes, it'll just download Chrome again, which we don't need to. No thanks. So, let me just. So I'm using OBS to do this. I'll quickly mute myself, probably mute myself. I'm actually don't know. Alright, wait. So, okay. So I don't think you guys can hear me now. So I'm back. Sorry for that. So I'm using OBS right now. I just do live for fun. So yeah. So start process blah 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 is just gonna open the thing. For example, if you do Teams, but I don't want any information leaked. So what you would do is, depending on where it is, mostly it will be in your downloads. You would go start. So by the way, if you press the up arrow key, the last code you put in will be copied. So yeah. So you would go to users, then you would type in the folder name for yours. So for example, if your name was Bob Davidson, I don't know, then it would be Bob D most of the time. So the Coron is not my real name. It's, I don't know, I just quickly smashed some keys quickly. So yeah, and then you would put in downloads. Okay, and then when you've done that, downloads, and then you press. This is what you type in: Teams, Windows, x64. I would press it, but I don't want any leaked information. So basically, that's what you've got to do. You can also type in. What else is there? Get process dash not underscore name Chrome, and then you can put get member, and if you press tab it just autofills it, so sometimes it might autofill it to the wrong thing, like transcript. But so basically that's all that stuff, like refresh. No, yeah, you get the point. So if you press CLS, that's just clear host. It won't clear the it's still transcripting. So CLS just removes all the code, so you have a refresh screen, but it's still transcripting. And so what else? What else do I want? I guess we can do. you can always do. I don't know much about coding, so don't quote me on anything. I'm bad at coding. I started a couple of days ago, and I decided to pick PowerShell for some other reason. But yeah, it basically PowerShell's command prompt. Well, newer. Yeah. I'll also talk about tech. So I'm planning a video today. It's about YouTube. I just have to raise awareness about YouTube. It's as a content creator, I have to do what I've got to do. So, and also soon I'm getting an upgrade to my PC. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, so we can always do. Back to the coding, by the way. I don't know much codes, so yeah. You can always get alias. Basically, it gets all the aliases. So, for example, if you go get alias, dash alias, and then CLS, it will just tell you what it does. So clear host basically just removes. So without getting anything leaked, could do clear item now. Copy item. So for example, let's say I don't know, can start sleep. If you type in $symbol zebra and then you put equal sign, you can put like get process name Chrome, and then it basically whatever it does. Next time you put in zebra, it will just put in that. So with the zebra thing, every time you close Windows PowerShell, zebra will automatically reset. So you gotta set it every time. So I can just do this and do something. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be learning about PowerShell. Any questions about tech? Leave down in the comments or in live chat. And yeah, I will be streaming sometimes. Sometimes maybe gameplay. I might start a Twitch account. I might do it. You know what, guys? Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a Twitch channel, so I don't have to stream on YouTube all the time. Because I don't really mind, but I guess I'm used to YouTube now. So yeah, any tech questions, you have 5 minutes to ask. Whilst I just, do stuff. So, also Windows 11 is coming out soon. Pretty hyped, but also not because Microsoft is going to be stuffing Windows 11 down your throat. So in 2025, Windows 10 will be discontinued, as far as I understand from Google. Yeah, they're just trying to make you upgrade. So not very nice. Thanks, Microsoft. You can get. I'll get a link. I'll put a link in the description as well to Linus Tech Tips. Him talking about Windows 11. So you understand more. Because I've watched like 1/3 of it and I still need to finish the video, but then I had to do some work. So yeah, I'll do a script for today's video. The video will be pretty long. So yeah, any questions before I go? I don't think there's any questions. Okay. So yeah, I will probably make a account on a different. I don't know. Maybe make an account on a different platform. What's the best RAM? Well, good question. Well, the best RAM is depending on its megahertz. I don't think I did a clock speed, but basically gigahertz, megahertz, and hertz are the amount of times something talks to something and basically communicates. So let's say for example, if RAM has because the most some piece of RAM had was, I think, 6,666.6 megahertz by Asus, and it still hasn't been beaten till this day. And well, the more gigahertz, I mean, gigahertz in RAM is not in gigahertz. Gigahertz have a billion, like, what is it? A billion. I don't know what's called a billion. I had the word. It can communicate billion times a second. So I'll double check that again. I'll put it in the comments because I haven't done gigahertz and all that stuff for a long time, but I'm pretty sure it's like that. Basically, how fast it communicates. So megahertz is measured in millions, and hertz are measured in units, not millions. And yeah. So the faster, the more megahertz it has, the better it is. But also, if you the more memory it has, and that's also better because then, yeah, it's more memory. If it's DDR4 as well, thank you, and thank you for the compliment. If it's DDR, that also helps because it just transfers quicker. I think every RAM has DIMM, because DIMM allows to communicate with the CPU. That would be stupid if a RAM stick can't do it. But fun fact, actually, RAM sticks in the olden days actually came in couples of megabytes, not gigabytes. So fun fact for you. So I guess I'll be going now. I'll study some Windows PowerShell. I'll do the script for today's video, and I'll see you guys in another stream or video. Goodbye.